Hello everyone, and welcome to another art tutorial with Adobe Creatives. In this video, we're going to learn some cool stuff in Adobe Illustrator that you'll need for our upcoming tutorials. We'll cover how to draw an object, how to put color on it, how to apply a shade or shadow on it, and how to put highlights on it. For drawing an object, there are different ways to do it. One way is to use the pen tool or the P shortcut key. Click from point to point to make the lines you want. You can make curvy lines or straight ones. To create a curve, click on the start point with your pen tool. For the end point, instead of just clicking, click and drag. This will allow you to create a curve. Now, let go of your mouse. You will notice that the next point on your path will also be curved. Another way is to just use the shape tool to create the shape you want. You can always change the shape using the direct selection tool to move the anchor point. Now let's discuss coloring our object. It's easy. First, choose the object you want. Then, pick the color tool and choose your favorite color. That's it. You can change the outline color too, but let's keep it black this time. Now let's discuss adding shadows. First, find where the shadow should be, usually at the bottom. Make another shape on top of the base shape. It doesn't matter if it goes beyond the base shape, just make sure the shading area is visible. Select both shapes, grab the Pathfinder tool, and use the minus or intersect tool. Copy the shade region as we will use it for later. Undo to go back to the base shape, and paste the copied region on top at same position. Change the color to something darker and we're done. Remember to remove any borders from your shadow where necessary. Now let's discuss adding highlights. First, we have to find where the light hits. Draw a shape at that point. Change that point to a lighter color. That's your highlight. Again, remember to remove any borders from your highlights where necessary. Now, practice a bit before we move on to the next tutorial. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to experiment with different tools and shapes to see what effects you can create. Please like this video and subscribe to Adobe Creatives for more art content.